So we're here at Public Parking PH. And we're going out of the country. And trinay lang namin to. Nakita namin sa Facebook and sa ads. So nakapasok na kami. Kailangan nyo lang magpa-reserve sa online. Tapos the rate here, silipin natin. Pero basically everything is cashless already kapag magbabayad ka. Tapos tatapat lang siya ng Terminal 1. Technically kung walang bagahe, pwede mo naman siyang lakarin eh. Yeah. Pero may free shuttle service papuntang airport. Pero pabalik, you're on your own. Tapos ito yung rate natin. Kapag kotse, hourly is 25. 24 hours is overnight for 50. Monthly is 8,000. Tapos motor is 10 hourly, overnight 200, and monthly 4,000. Ang okay kasi dito, hindi na kailangan iwan ng susi. Unlike yung mga iba. Dito much safer kasi enclosed naman yung space. Cheaper than airport parking. Oh, it just a continuation dun sa public parking PH. Hindi na namin na-videohan kasi nung pabalik medyo nagmadali na tayo. Pero anyway, pag papunta mo, libre yung shuttle papunta airport. Pero pag pauwi mo, pag pabalik dun sa parking, hindi na siya libre. You have to go on your own. Pero since Terminal 1 lang kami, nilakad lang namin para kunin yung kotse. Very, very convenient. So once pagdating mo dun, you just show them your receipt that has the QR code. Tapos scan lang nila, I think. Scan ba nila? Scan nila. Tapos the only thing is they have to pay online. Talagang purely online siya. Cashless.
Gcash.
Gcash only.
Parang strict sila sa Gcash.
Pero either way, convenient. Hindi siya malayo sa Terminal 1 pero other terminals malayo. And it's a little cheaper at 450 pesos na overnight. Ayun lang guys, yun ang pinaka naging experience namin. Definitely something to consider, especially if Terminal 1 ka.